Pakistan netas are protesting against the United States of America and Israel in the parliament. Days after the government officially put out a notification after the meeting with Asim Munir that there's going to be a Nobel Peace Prize nomination from Pakistan for US President Donald Trump. Now Pakistan's PTI netas are carrying anti-US and Israel banners. But it's a big loss of face for Pakistan government, for the Sharif government. Pakistan's Trump Nobel Prize clearly is not getting support among the politicians of the country. Tehreek-e-Insaf, remember, primarily though associated with Imran Khan, but you can sense the anger that's coming against Pakistan's leadership about why did you have to become the first and possibly the only country to be able to say officially that we are nominating you, Donald Trump, for the Nobel Peace Prize in resolving conflicts, even whether India, Pakistan and the other conflicts. And hours after that, Iran was targeted and how? Remember, this is as much about a certain Muslim Brotherhood unity. It's one of the Muslim countries, Islamic Republic, that said USA should get the Peace Prize.
ایران پر امریکہ کے حملے کی ہم پرزور مذمت کرتے ہیں. یہ ایران کی خود مختاری پر حملہ ہے, مسلم امہ پر حملہ ہے.
ایران پر حملے کی شدید مذمت کرتے ہیں.
امریکہ مرد آباد, اسرائیل مرد آباد.
عمران خان زندہ باد.
ایران پر حملے کی شدید مذمت کرتے ہیں.
ایران پر حملے کی شدید مذمت. امریکہ اسرائیل مرد آباد.
امریکہ اسرائیل مسلمانوں کے قاتل ہیں.
امریکہ مرد آباد, اسرائیل مرد آباد.
اسرائیل مرد آباد, امریکہ مرد آباد. عمران خان زندہ.
مرد آباد, اسرائیل مرد آباد. ایران پر امریکہ کے حملے کی ہم پرزور مذمت کرتے ہیں. یہ ایران کی خود مختاری پر حملہ ہے, مسلم امہ پر حملہ ہے.
Mir Fareed joins me for the latest on that. Fareed, now this was a turn that Pakistan also possibly did not expect. But this is an embarrassment, clearly, when you look at how there are protests of the PTI on the ground. How are you picking up on what's unfolding in the world? There are understandable protests. There's a world is divided over this. But Pakistan's embarrassment is for all to see.
Yes, Pooja, it is a diplomatic embarrassment, and it was expected because it quite clearly seems to be a decision of the army, because it's a big thing for Pakistan Army, and especially for General Asim Munir. He was invited to the US. He shared the bread or broke the bread with President Trump. So it means a lot. So it seems to be a gesture, overwhelmed Pakistan Army announcing this, but clearly against the will of the people, against the political class. Pakistan has been on the roads. The people have been backing Iran, protests against Israel and US. And then on the other hand, you give out statements, the foreign ministry clearly backing Iran, condemning US and Israel for violating the sovereignty of Iran. And on the other hand, you say and officially back President Trump for Nobel Peace Prize. So this is massive hypocrisy, and it is being called out by none other than the people of Pakistan. And now approach seen in the Pakistan Senate, where expectedly the PTI, Imran Khan's party, coming out and raising banners against Israel and trying to call out and put the Sharif, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the army, on the back foot on this particular issue, and calling it an egg on the face and a massive diplomatic embarrassment for Pakistan in this.
Could be, Fareed, because it's a wave of outrage that's clearly erupted against Pakistan's government as much, remember, if not directly against the military, but against the government for now.